Hey, welcome. Everybody seems to be complaining about high cost of impression, CPM. But in this video, I will share with you a strategy you probably know about but you are not using, or you don't know about it. This strategy will help you cut down your impression cost and also help you get good results with Facebook ads. So let's just get started already. Now, the strategy is leverage. Now, I will explain that. Pre-iOS 14 update, if you have been running Facebook ads for like 2-3 years now, you will know there was an update that was made. Now, before the update was made, there is a kind of audience that used to work, that gets good results, which is lookalike audience. So all you need to do is create a custom audience of your website visitors or people that have bought from your website. Then use that custom audience to create a lookalike audience. Now, this is what happened after the update, the iOS 14 update. Facebook is unable to accurately track all events that happens outside their ecosystem. For example, on your website, right? So after the update, this particular audience is not as effective and converting as it used to be. What can you do in this regard? So what I want to show you is how to still use that particular data, but then bringing it into Facebook. So once you bring the complete and accurate data to Facebook, they will be able to give you good results. Although another option is you using custom audience within Facebook ecosystem, like the Facebook page, your ads, your video views. You can use that and still get results. But this one I'm about to share with you will give you even much better results. Now, not to waste your time, what I'll be talking about is sharing with you how you can use this customer list. So I got to know not many people are actually leveraging this, because it is actually a leverage. So not many people are using this at the moment, which is this customer list. It does not have to be a list of your customers. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you use email the most, all you need to do is use your lead list. So whether you are selling directly, that is sales conversion, or you are generating leads, either of the two works here. So all you need to do is export your customer list from whatever CRM, whatever marketing tool you are currently using. All right, so let's get started. Don't forget, I said the strategy is actually leverage. So I will share with you the first leverage, and then there is also the second leverage. So let's get started. So the first thing is this. You click on customer list and click on next. So the first thing we are doing right now is to create a custom audience of our customers list or lead list. Go to your email marketing platform, your CRM, your Google form, your order form, your website, anywhere that you have this list, go there to export. Now you see a customer list is a CSV or text file. So your platform or the platform you are currently using now might be exporting in XLSX, that is Excel file format. So you want to make sure it is in CSV. So let me just show you how to do that very fast. By the way, I use Sniper CRM. Sniper CRM is an e-commerce CRM basically for people in Nigeria and I think in Africa. So you can check them out if you are not using it. That's what I use. Visit adelekesami.com/CRM to read more details about them. So let me just show you, in case you do not know, I will show you how you can convert your CSV to your Excel file to CSV. So I want to assume you have exported your customer or lead list. Now, to convert it, assuming it is not, if you have the option to export in CSV file, oh, that's good. But then sometimes you do not have the option. So all you need to do is, you can use whatever tool available to you, but I use Google Sheet. Just come to sheets.new. This will take you to Google Sheet. So of course, you should have your Google account logged in, or your Gmail logged in on the same browser. So once you have that, so right now I will import the file. So just click on upload, Then now you see replace spreadsheet. I'll just use current sheet. And now we have the details. Can you see? All right, so once you have finally imported the sheet, all you need to now do is go to files and download. You see CSV. That's all. So you have it downloaded. All right, so we have it downloaded. So once you have done that, now go back to your Facebook Ads Manager, then next, then click on next again and upload file. This is where you upload the CSV file you just exported. Okay, so Facebook will ask you a question. Does your list include a column for customer value? So this is just a way for Facebook to identify which column they can use to know how valuable a customer is. That's the best or simplest way to explain this. Now, if you are using your lead list, you will just choose no. But then if you are using a list of people that have bought from you, then you have to choose yes. And the best column for Facebook to use to identify how valuable a customer is will be the price point. And if you use upsell, cross-sell, stuff like that, you can as well select that instead. Okay, here I will just name it as demo list, and I'll click on next. Now here is the point whereby you map the columns in the list that you uploaded with Facebook variable. This is just to synchronize the whole thing, so don't worry about the grammar. Now here is the thing. You can see price is already mapped to customer value, phone number is mapped to phone number, email is mapped to email, but delivery fee, I'll choose do not upload because it is mapped to date of birth. And another thing is this: you might not have delivery fee in yours because this is just a list of customers' order. That's why it is included. Okay, so let's look at other things we can map. So we have name. So here I'll just select first name because there is no just name tag. It is either first name or last name. And you know, most people, when they are filling this form, the other form, they will most likely enter their first name, right? Their first name, not their last name, which is the surname. Okay, state, select state or province, delivery fee, and I think that's all. So we have 5 mapped columns. Now you click on import and create. So it is importing, and we have 622 rows uploaded, right? Now let me say something. Now, okay, so the next thing you want to do is to click create a lookalike audience. So basically, lookalike audience is just telling Facebook, I want you to create an audience that looks like the custom audience I just created. Now I would put Nigeria. You can put in any country that you want to create a lookalike audience. And here is a tip: you can even create a lookalike audience if the list is from if you generated the list from Nigeria, right? You can still create a lookalike audience of people outside Nigeria, so it does not matter. All right, now 1%, 2%, 3%. So personally I use 2 or 3% because there are still some settings you need to do which will later reduce the potential audience size, right? So I'll just use let's say 3%. Now if you are targeting tier 1 countries like United States, before it was 600,000 plus, but right now we have it was around I think 1.8 million. Now we have 8.5, and bring it to 1%, you can see 2.8 million. So you can just leave it at 1% for tier 1 countries like United States. Okay, so I'll just go back to Nigeria, and we're good to go. So I'll select this and create audience. Now we have our custom audience and our lookalike audience. So the next thing for you to do now is to implement the second leverage, which I will show you while setting up the advert. Okay, so sales, you already know how to do it here, right? Match. So let's go straight to the point. Now let's go to the ad set. This is where it happened. I'll select website. So this particular video is not teaching you how to run adverts from scratch. I have series of video already on that. You can watch the video you're currently seeing on your screen. But then I just want to show you what I want to let you know. Now a lot has changed on Facebook as platform. You need to click switch, then use original audience. Now where you have these custom audiences, click on it and you select the lookalike audience. So it is still kind of I think it's still populating. Oh, it's not populating. So you can see now. Here is the thing: if your product or your advert is gender specific, you can still set your gender here. So don't just assume, okay, because you have set lookalike audience, then there is no need for the gender. Okay, so placement, you know how we do it, right? Let me just do that. Though depending on the kind of campaign you are running, so basically it is just Facebook. Guys, another thing is, I thought so many people know about some of these things, but then when I started speaking with people, they don't know. I am actually assuming. So I want to know if you know about this I'm sharing with you already, or this is your first time. Drop a comment so I can know if I should keep creating more content like this, because I think some of my content looks very, very advanced. So I want to meet many people at the point of their needs. So let me know if you are just learning about some of these things, please. All right, so I'll just go to the ad level. Now this is very easy. Now don't forget, I said I'll be sharing with you two leverage, right? So the leverage one is using your existing customer list to create your custom audience, right? And your lookalike audience. Now the second here is now using existing posts. So the idea behind this is okay, let me select this first. Then I'll scroll. Okay, I think I found this. This is actually one of our best converting adverts, and guess what? AI helped us with the creative. It suggested the creative to use, and even the background that I used for this product, it was also AI that did it. Anyways, let me know if you want me to create a content on this. Anyways, so you can see this particular advert has over 300 reactions, over 300 comments, and 16 shares. Now the idea behind using an existing ad post is so that, one, it already has enough social proof, and you using lookalike audience, people that will be seeing it are mostly new set of people, though similar to people that have bought from you or that have engaged with your kind of product. How that makes sense? So this is the second leverage. Trust me, set up your campaign like this and you see drastic reduction in your cost per lead, your cost per purchase, your cost per action, whatever action you are using. So I hope this helps. Meanwhile, if you are new to Facebook or if you are new to selling online, I would advise you go check out this particular playlist that I created. Check this out. I'm very sure it will really help you. And don't worry, as I've said, I am back to creating content. My focus for the next few months is to help you implement everything I've been teaching for the past 3 years using AI. So I'll be sharing so many AI use cases. So expect that. And if you are not on our WhatsApp channel, that is where you get notification whenever we have new update. So I was off for like 3-4 months, but guess what? I still engage with my Telegram community, with my WhatsApp community. So if you are not on any of those community, I would advise you to join. On Telegram, to join Telegram, go to adelikesamuel.com/Telegram, and to join my WhatsApp community. Not a WhatsApp group, it is a WhatsApp community where you get update from me. Go to adelikesamuel.com/WhatsApp. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.